Alright, here we go. NASCAR overtime. Will Johnny Sauter win or will someone else win? I only know Johnny Sauter, Matt Crafton, and David Young. Those are the only few I know in the field. Rusty just called by the numbers. Alright, here we go. NASCAR overtime. Here we go. Here goes Matt Crafton. Crafton's going to try to overtake him. Oh, but Sauter ain't giving up.
Look at Haley right there in case these guys slip.
Here comes Sauter. There he goes. He's going to clear him. Oh, but here comes Crafton. White flag here. Squatted by the in one base. Oh, not technically. Anyways, here we go. Into the backstretch. Down to the backstretch. Here he comes on turn 4. Johnny Sauter wins at Dover. Great job, Johnny Sauter. Great job. Wow. What a finish. What a race. Wow. Just wow. Oh, here he goes. Oh, he's gonna burn down. Here he goes.
You see that Autism Delaware sticker on the inside? We have the truck for...
Hopefully I have enough time to record the burnout. I'm kind of running out of time. Oh, here we go. Sticking his hand on the window with the thumbs up. That is awesome.
Downstairs to Allen.
There he goes with the checkered flag. And there he goes.
Down here with no Gregson out. He's out of the care center. We saw
Wow.
the motion inside the truck. You were going for the win. Is there anything you regret about the move?